Welcome to the final part of the lecture. Uh, what was the what was we have seen the statutory reserve fund opening 18,87,659, 18,87,659. So we'll write 18. We will have to write the amount 18 lakh 87,659. 659. So after statutory opening, we have uh, subscribed capital 570 shares. इससे पहले we will write the authorized capital 3,900 shares of 50 each. So we will go to the share capital and we will write authorized share capital. Authorized share capital 3,900 shares of rupees 50 each. It is how much? 3,000. It will be 1,95,000. So we will have to highlight it and then we will write subscribed share capital. Subscribed share capital. There's some 570 shares. 570 shares of 50 is 28,500. 570 shares. 570 shares of rupees 50 each. 28,500. We will write 28,500. This highlight I will remove. Now what is said in the posting? We have surplus for last year 42,23,810. So last May we will write surplus for last year. Surplus for last year. We'll write here surplus for last year. Surplus for last year is how much? Surplus for last year. Surplus for last year is 42 lakhs 23,810. Now after this, what is given in the question? ट्रांसफर फीस 1,53,000 ये भी हम कैपिटलाइज करते हैं. वी शो इट हियर इन द स्टैट्यूटरी फंड 1,53,000. सो इसको आउटर कॉलम में ऐड करके लिखेंगे. सो 1 मिनट मैंने हाँ चाहिए नीचे चला गया उस ऊपर चला गया. 1 minute, let me do the corrections. This went here. Here we have to put the transfer fees 1,53,000. Then total we get 20,41,259 and done. Now we will have to go to the this one adjustment. Due from members for establishment expenses 179,889. 179,889 will go establishment expenses में due है मतलब outstanding है अभी भी आना. So we'll write add due from members. Amount is how much? Amount is 179,889. This is outstanding income. So outstanding income will come in the asset side 34,80,000. So ये due from member जो बाकी है, we will show in the debtors due from members. How much is the amount? The amount is 1,79,889. Then we have given both the effects. Now we have prepaid security expense 153,973. Security में there is a prepaid. So less prepaid expense है, कितना अमाउंट है, माइनस करना पड़ेगा 153,973. सो इसको माइनस करके हाउ मच वी गेट 6,33,132. एंड इसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट प्रीपेड एक्सपेंस मतलब लोन्स एंड एडवांसेस में आएगा. प्रीपेड सिक्योरिटी, प्रीपेड सिक्योरिटी, इसका अमाउंट क्या है प्रीपेड सिक्योरिटी का? 1,53,973. इसके बाद व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट? आउटस्टैंडिंग प्रॉपर्टी टैक्सेस. सो आउटस्टैंडिंग है तो ऐड करना पड़ेगा. ऐड आउटस्टैंडिंग, ऐड आउटस्टैंडिंग. द अमाउंट इज हाउ मच? 5,13,962. तो इसको ऐड करेंगे तो इट विल बी 20,34,400. दिस इज आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंसेस. तो करंट लाइबिलिटी में दिखाना पड़ेगा. सो करंट लाइबिलिटी में वी विल शो आउटस्टैंडिंग प्रॉपर्टी taxes. So outstanding property taxes is how much? We have just seen what was the amount. 5,13,000. Sorry, 5,13,962. 5,13,962. And this is surplus for last year. This is done. दोनों जगह का एंट्री डाल दिया. नाउ एडवांस फ्रॉम मेंबर्स फॉर प्रॉपर्टी एक्सपेंसेस. एडवांस है सो लेस करना पड़ेगा. एडवांस लेस एडवांस, ये क्या है? प्रीपेड इनकम है. एडवांस कितना अमाउंट है? लेस 2,511. इसमें और एक एडजस्टमेंट है प्रॉपर्टी एक्सपेंसेस में. सो अभी इसका टोटल नहीं करेंगे. प्रीपेड इनकम, प्रीपेड इनकम ऑल्सो वी कैन शो इन करंट लाइबिलिटी. सो प्रीपेड इनकम, सो यहाँ पे बताएंगे. फिर एडवांस, एडवांस फ्रॉम members. What is the amount? 2,511. This is done. दोनों इफेक्ट दे दिया. Now what is the next adjustment? Repairs to be adjusted from repairs, major repairs fund. So repairs fund कहाँ आ गया? We had written repairs fund. Delete हो गया क्या repairs fund? We had done the posting of repairs fund. हाँ, repairs and maintenance नहीं लिखा. ये salaries लिखा ना? हाँ, salary security लिखा. So we forgot to write repairs and maintenance. 1 minute. So we will write repairs and maintenance. The amount is how much? repairs and maintenance 6,89,849 6 lakh इनर कॉलम में 6,89,849 इसमें क्या है इसमें देयर इज एडजस्ट करना है तो लेस करना पड़ेगा लेस हाउ मच इज द अमाउंट 4,29,654 less adjust तो यहाँ पे एडजस्ट करके हाउ मच आर वी गेटिंग 2,61,195 इसका दूसरा इफेक्ट डायरेक्टली वी हैव टू गिव इन द रिजर्व्स हमारे पास ऑलरेडी मेन फंड है मेजर रिपेयर्स फंड तो उसमें वी विल लेस दिस अमाउंट लेस एडजस्ट कितना अमाउंट एडजस्ट किया 4,29,654 इसके बाद वन मोर एडजस्टमेंट इज देयर आई गेस collection from members for property expenses include collection towards major repair fund तो property expenses में भी there is repair fund का amount so less for repair fund how much is the amount 15,45,584 ये सब माइनस करके आउटर कॉलम में 25,62,551 और ये रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस में इसको बताएंगे रिपेयर्स फंड में एडिशन टू repair fund how much is the amount 15,45,584 now 1 minute now all the adjustments are done we can take in the outer column 70,38,747 all the adjustments are done now what we will do now we will tally this now we will tally this we will do the tally here we will do the balancing here we will do the balancing here so when we add 25,62,551 34,80,000 and then 65,20,505 64,797 and 53,57 which is sale of scrap we get amount the amount what we get is 66,78,488 66,78,488 and what is the surplus or deficit what we are getting it is electricity 6,91760 143 264 28,116 20,34,400 135, 716, 260, 195. Then we have 45, 600, 146, 305, 13, 483, 133, 18, 672, 60, 788, 26, 332, 41415, 247, 500, 6,33, 132, 720, 348, 47, 524, 96, 100 माइनस करते हैं तो वी गेट 17,07,088 इज द सरप्लस. सरप्लस रहेगा तो हमें एक और चीज बनाना पड़ेगा. व्हेन 18 इज, हाँ, so we will go and we will have to prepare one more thing that is known as memorandum appropriation account. Appropriation account, we have to prepare this. So insert particulars, rupees, particulars, rupees. तो सबसे पहले we will put the opening balance by balance bottom, that is last year's profit. So last year's profit is 42 lakh 23,810. इसमें ऐड करेंगे सरप्लस, that is current year profit. Current year profit is how much? It is 17 lakh 7,088. ये दोनों को ऐड करके यहाँ पे लिखेंगे टू statutory reserve, because it's compulsory for cooperative society to transfer 25% of its profit to statutory reserve, but the effect will be given only when after the general body approval, general body meeting. So 17,000, 17 lakh 7,088 में 25% निकालेंगे तो we will get 4,26,772, and इसमें इसके बाद we will take the balance to balance carried down. Just take the total what you are getting in the credit side is 59 lakh 30,000, 59 lakh 30,898, 59 lakh 30,898, and the balance what you are getting is what? It is 55 lakh 4,126. इसको ऐसे ही रखना है और यहाँ पे we will add the surplus. Surplus is 17 lakh 7,088. इसको add करने पे we will get add करने पे we will get how much? 59 lakh 30,898. ये 1 minute, this 45 will remove, यहाँ नहीं आएगा. ये सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट, जो डिपॉजिट है उसका अमाउंट है. ये करंट लायबिलिटी का अमाउंट है. इन दोनों का टोटल is 5,16,473. And security deposit जो हमें मिला, that is 45,000. So now what we'll have to do, we'll have to take the total of balance sheet. Balance sheet का total is तो ना 1,95,000 नहीं लेना है, 28,500 plus 20 lakh 41,259, 70 lakh 38,747, 45,000 516,473, and this one 59 lakh 30,000 9 sorry 898. And let me take it inside. So take down the total. What total we are getting? We are getting total of 15,60,000, 56,877. So we are getting 1 crore 56 lakh 877 on both the sides. जहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है ना उसको नील लिखना है, लाइक अदर लाइबिलिटीज. जहाँ पे कुछ भी अमाउंट्स नहीं आया है उसे हमें क्या करना है, उसे नील लिखना है. With this is done. With this the sum is done. With this the sum is done.